The Mercedes Benz 600 Grosser 2026 is imagined as a modern revival of one of the most legendary luxury sedans ever created in automotive history, combining the timeless presence of the original W100 Grosser with futuristic engineering, ultra-luxury comfort, and next-generation technology that places it at the absolute top of the automotive world. And in this video, we are going to explore every detail of what this ultimate luxury limousine could look like if Mercedes decided to bring it back for the modern era, with all new innovation, design philosophy, and performance enhancements that reflect the year 2026 and beyond. Starting with the exterior design, which is expected to maintain the royal and presidential stance of the original model, but with a much more aerodynamic and refined silhouette. The front fascia features a massive upright chrome grille inspired by the classic Maybach and Grosser heritage, but now integrated with digital LED matrix lighting that stretches across the front end, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The iconic Mercedes star sits proudly on the hood as a symbol of prestige, while the long sculpted bonnet emphasizes power and elegance at the same time. The body lines are smooth yet muscular, giving it a modern luxury yacht feel on wheels, and the paint options are expected to include deep obsidian black, silver metallic, pearl white, and exclusive two-tone bespoke finishes that reflect the highest level of personalization. Moving to the side profile, the Mercedes Benz 600 Grosser 2026 is extremely long and stately, with an extended wheelbase designed specifically for maximum rear passenger comfort. The chrome window surrounds and flush door handles add a touch of sophistication, while the large multi-spoke alloy wheels with a turbine-inspired design complete the luxury aesthetic. The rear design is equally impressive, featuring vertical LED taillights, a subtle integrated spoiler, and a wide chrome strip connecting both sides, giving it a balanced and authoritative look. Stepping inside the cabin is where the real magic begins, because the interior of the 2026 Grosser is expected to be a masterpiece of luxury craftsmanship combined with futuristic technology. The moment you open the heavy insulated doors, you are welcomed into a world of premium leather, polished wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting that can be customized in millions of colors. The seating configuration is designed for ultimate chauffeur-driven comfort, with rear executive seats that recline fully into a first-class lounge position, complete with massage, heating, cooling, and memory functions. The legroom is extraordinary, giving passengers the feeling of sitting in a private jet cabin rather than a car. In the center rear console, there is a foldable touchscreen control system that allows passengers to adjust climate, entertainment, seat position, and even privacy settings. The dashboard features a fully digital hyperscreen that stretches across the entire front interior, displaying driving information, navigation, and AI-assisted controls. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather and designed with touch-sensitive controls, while the driver benefits from semi-autonomous driving capabilities that allow the car to handle highways and city cruising with minimal input. The Mercedes Benz 600 Grosser 2026 is not just about luxury, but also about advanced technology, and it is expected to feature Level 4 or even Level 5 autonomous driving capabilities, depending on regulations, meaning the car can potentially drive itself in most conditions while passengers relax, work, or sleep. The infotainment system is powered by an advanced AI assistant that learns passenger preferences and adjusts settings automatically to create a personalized experience every time you enter the vehicle. Entertainment options include cinema-level screens, surround sound Burmester audio system, wireless connectivity, and even holographic display options in higher trims. Climate control is multi-zone with air purification and fragrance systems that maintain the highest level of cabin comfort. Under the hood, the hypothetical 2026 Grosser would likely feature a powerful hybrid or fully electric drivetrain, combining performance with sustainability. One version could include a twin-turbo V12 hybrid engine producing immense power, while another fully electric variant could deliver instant torque and whisper-quiet driving experience, with an estimated range suitable for long-distance luxury travel. The suspension system is expected to be an advanced active hydraulic system, similar to the original Grosser, but upgraded with modern sensors that scan the road ahead and adjust in real time to provide a floating carpet-like ride quality.
Safety is also a top priority, with 360-degree camera systems, radar sensors, collision avoidance technology, night vision assistance, and AI predictive safety systems that ensure maximum protection for all occupants. The Mercedes Benz 600 Grosser 2026 is not just a car, it is a statement of power, prestige, and exclusivity, designed for world leaders, ultra-high net worth individuals, and collectors who demand nothing but the best. It represents the return of a legend that once defined luxury transportation and now evolves into a futuristic icon that blends heritage with innovation. When you imagine this vehicle on the road, you see more than just transportation. You see presence, authority, and unmatched elegance that no other sedan can replicate. Every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the precision of the digital interface, has been engineered to create a perfect harmony between human comfort and machine intelligence. Even the sound insulation is expected to be so advanced that the outside world completely disappears once the doors close, creating a private sanctuary on wheels. The driving experience itself, whether manual or autonomous, is designed to be effortless and smooth, with instant response and absolute stability at any speed. The Mercedes Benz 600 Grosser 2026 is also expected to offer customization options through Mercedes Manufacture Program, allowing owners to design their own unique interiors, materials, and finishes, making each vehicle truly one of a kind. In conclusion, this concept represents the ultimate evolution of luxury sedans, bringing back the spirit of the original Grosser while pushing it into the future with cutting-edge technology, unmatched comfort, and timeless design language that will continue to inspire automotive enthusiasts around the world. And if Mercedes ever decides to officially revive this legend, it will not just be a car launch, it will be the return of an icon that defines the highest level of automotive excellence in the modern era.